Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss a direct message on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable Instagram direct notifications right from your phone settings. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the important features for your device and installed apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Scroll through until you find Instagram, then tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, look for the option labeled Notifications. Tap on Notifications, and you'll be taken to a new screen with all the different types of alerts Instagram can send you. Now, you'll see a section called Notification Categories. This is where you can fine-tune exactly which notifications you want to receive from Instagram. Find the option for Instagram Direct. It might be listed as Direct Messages or simply Instagram Direct, depending on your device. To start receiving alerts for new direct messages, simply toggle on Instagram Direct. When the switch turns on, you're all set. From now on, you'll get a notification every time someone sends you a direct message on Instagram. If you want to customize things even further, you can explore the other notification categories on this screen. But for direct messages, just make sure Instagram Direct is switched on. That's it. You've successfully enabled Instagram Direct notifications. Now you'll never miss an important message from friends, family, or anyone else reaching out to you on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected.